My TO1 album. I just want to show you guys, this is one of my favorite albums of all time. It's very good. All of the songs are just so good. Let's unbox this. Yeah, I love TO1 so much. If you don't know, my vice is Jihoon, and he's the first member to leave. It's so sad, but I know that he's gonna be great in the future. You know, wait, one, I hate that company. Ah! Okay. Dah kat luar? Kenapa dah kat luar? Ya Allah. Okay guys, for the polar I got Jihoon, it's my baby cheeky, and then I got the clear ID, I got Tan, and I got Tanhoon, this what do you call this, message thing, and then I got, for the sticker, I got Jerome. So sad, but it's okay. Should we lift this first and look at the CDs? Even kat luar dah. Astaghfirullahalazim. Let's look up this. TO1. Let's look at my pool, shall we? Get 1, 2, 3. So cute. 1, 2, 3. Tolong. You look so good, the freak. Oh, look at them wearing caps. What's this? Oh, this is the sign. I got you can. Kasi tak ada pun. Saya pergi ke sana, kamu masuk nombor 5.
What is that?
Freebies. So, here's stickers. So, the moment of truth.
Ada bus pula. Cantiknya. Buka. Tengok.
Jangan. Takutlah jajak
Dalam
ambil
tu
kat
ke?
dia. Rasa dah ni.
Okay.
CD.
Di sini tengok. Duduk lain.
Oh, comel. Wow, ada notes, bye. Tengok ni. Ni ada notes dia orang. Okay. Jangan.
Oh, adik.
Sini.
Dia takutnya.
Sekejap, apa ni? Mana?
I nampak. Okay.
Okay. Ni dia punya booklet.
Booklet.
Ha.
Isi tak?
Ha, dia macam for this.
Ni lawa jenis. Ya, tak ada. Like kalau bunyi yang ni kan dia sampai lawa jenis. Tak pasti dia pink macam ni. So, macam ini dia punya.
Ni lah. Cukup ke atau buat lagi?
Saya cuba cepat nak masukkan tak?
Ya.
Minta je. Keras ni.
Aku rasa apa? Aku ni biasa.
Biasa je tak? Nak masukkan ni susah. Next. Okay, sini dulu. Okay, tak ada apa-apa eh. Okay,
Okay.
IPC. Okay, nampak yang face tu. Okay,
Nampak
senang.
dia banyak.
Bismillah. Okay, dia nampak dah tadi. Nampak melekat lah.
Kalau awak cooking. Baca tu semua. Ada 4 kan? Takut dia melekat. Okay.
Okay,
Bismillah.
bismillah. Okay, nak sana dia. Okey. Oh, jangan. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Kenapa nak 85 ni? Okay. Oh, cepat. Sana. Yay.
Gotta change my answering machine now that I'm alone. Cause right now it says that we can't come to the phone. And I know it's make no sense. Cause you walk out the door, but it's the only way I hear your voice anymore.